Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can get your lost data back on your iPhone using the Joyoshare iPhone data recovery app. So let's get started. So once you open this app, you will see this screen. Now you can connect your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch to your MacBook. So just plug in your device, then you will see this screen. So here there are a lot of options and you can recover data from your device. Here you can recover data from iTunes backup and iCloud backup. So let's start recovering data from iPhone. So let's just click here. So here you can get your deleted data from the device and also get your data on the existing device. So for example, your iPhone screen is broken, you want to get back your data, so you can also do that. So let's start with recovering deleted data. So here you can also pick some options which you don't want. You can also skip something if you don't want to recover them. Let me just skip photos or like anything. So let's start with the scan. The scanning may take a while depending on your device size, so just let it scan. Do not unplug your device. So let the scan be finished. It's scanning. Just be patient. So the scanning has already been completed now. So here you can see all the data that I can recover on my iPhone. So there are the messages, contacts, call histories, notes, and there are app data. All of them are here, which I can easily recover with just few clicks. Now you can select the data that you want to recover. You can go each of the sections and select them manually. For example, just go to voicemail and select the voicemails that you want to recover. Just mark them off which you want to recover. Reminders. And messages attachments. Or you can also select all of them by clicking on the phone there. So if you just click there, it will select all of the data, or you can also recover them manually. Just for example, just let's click on messages, notes, and voicemails. So then just click on recover and it will start recovering the data. Once it's done, it will open the folder where it has recovered all your data. So here are my recovered data, the voicemail files, there are the notes, here are the messages, there's the messages attachment as well. So let's just open this. So it's just working fine. So this is how we recover your data using this app, and this is really easy and simple to use, and this is really handy. This app is very useful. So let's go to the website now. So here you can get the trial version for free, and if you like it, you can just buy this. This one also works for Windows as well. So you can recover 20 plus kinds of lost files. It supports smart data recovery modes, and the recovery is really simple, as I showed you, just in 3 steps you're done. So get the trial version. If you like it, then just buy this. They're also having a promo, and this app works on Windows as well. So for a happy Thanksgiving promotion begins now, so get your free license, just go there. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and also please subscribe to my channel. Cheers.